how to crop any image in the shape of a circle in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can crop any particular image in the shape of a circle in your Canva application. So currently I am in a random design that I have opened in order to demonstrate, and this is a presentation design that I have opened up in my Canva application. So the next thing that I'm gonna do in this application is to add any element. So let's say an image. So in order to add any stock image, what I'm going to do is simply click onto this elements option, and from here, as you can see, I've searched for nature. I'm going to add any particular photo that I want. So for example, let's say this photograph right here. So we will be cropping this particular photograph in the shape of a circle. So let me show you how you can do this. The first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this photo, and once you will select this photo, you can see these options that appear at the top. Now from these options you need to click onto this crop option. Now from these options you need this edit option at the leftmost corner. Once you will click on this edit option, you can see these options that appear over here. Now simply scroll down and you can see this option or this section of apps. So simply click onto this see all in order to see all of the applications Canva, and from here you can see this shape cropper. So simply click onto this shape cropper, and under the shape cropper you can see that there are a number of shapes to choose from. So since we want a circular shape, we need to click onto this circle option, which is also the first option under the frames. So once you will do this, you can see this is the preview, and in order to adjust the position you can use this image zoom slider. So the more you zoom in, the more zoomed will be the image. So you can also adjust it from here if you want, like this, and you can zoom it more if you want. And then once you are done with the changes, what you can do is simply click onto this add to design button, and once you will click onto this add to design, you can see that we now have a circular cropped image of the original image. So that's how easily you can crop an image in a circle using the Canva application. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.